Cold day to hike, huh? Yeah. First cold. Ruger and I are up on Lookout Mountain exploring a waterfall today. Out hiking. It's a pretty view. It's a cold one. Sort of the first cold of the year, besides January. His first cold season. I think he's liking it not being as hot. Gonna keep hiking? Let's keep hiking. It's real pretty up here. I'm thinking about doing a camping day or two on this site. Getting a whiff of something. Yeah, that water looks good to swim in, huh? You got in, didn't you? Soaking wet. Nice little creek to jump in.